Hi dear students, now check. We have another kind of exercise. In this one, we have to find a polynomial function, f of x, of degree 4. Here they are giving us the degree that has the following zeros, and also they are giving us the zeros. The zeros here is minus 1, minus 5, 0, and 3. So we have 4 zeros. We have to leave the answer in factored form. We don't have to multiply the factors. So we can get the standard form? No, we can leave the factored form. And this is important that you learn about the factor theorem. So let's read. A number C is a zero if and only if Cx minus Z is a factor of f of x, okay, of the function. And then if C is a zero of multiplicity k, then x minus c, here you have the factor, raised to the multiplicity, okay, is a factor. But let's solve this example so you can understand better what this theorem is telling us, okay? So we have f of x equals the function, remember, equals x, we're going to write it like here, minus c, and in this case c is minus 1 because it is the 0. Look, a number c is a 0, okay? If and only if x minus c is a factor. That's why we write it like this, x minus c. So minus 1 is the c in this case. And then times the other factor, which is x minus, and now minus 5, because now c is minus 5, times the other factor, x minus and 0. We're not going to write minus 0 because here the 0 is, well, it is positive or negative, okay? And then x minus 3, because 3 is positive in this case. Now, let's solve this product. So we have x minus times minus 1, so x plus 1 in the end. X minus minus 5, x plus 5. And then x minus 0, just x. And x minus 3, x minus 3. And when we have an x, which is just the x, we send it to the beginning of the factors and with no parentheses. So we write it like this, x times the first factor, which is x plus 1, times the second factor, which is x plus 5, times x minus 3, which is the last factor. And this is the final answer, because you have to give the answer in factor form. Okay? Good, dear students. Let's continue working, and take care and stay at home.